Hi there, Chris here. I have this smaller ace padlock, 4-lever. I've done the larger one. I don't think I've done this one on camera. But I thought I would do it for my real Quick Pick Thursday. It does work. And I did put a little lube in there. So we have Cherokee, we have Suki, and Murloc in the lab audience today. And if you play Paul Springett's competition giveaway 3 times a week, you'll know that now for some reason Murloc and I are sitting in the back of the class one more time, and I think he stole my pencil, and I think he also is copying my answers. But we'll have to see. I think it's happened before. Anyway, but he's starting to get into lever locks. A little rumor said. So I thought I would do this. Be nice to the guy. So I have a little tensioner here. This is the UK Lockpickers tensioner. And I have my own little pick wire. So we'll see if we can Quick Pick Thursday get in here. Yeah, I think he copied my answers. I have single lever picked the other one, and also did an overlift on it. I can't really get the overlift to work on this one, so I'm gonna take my wire out first and finish turning this, and we are in. These are kind of cool lock to start with. They're not tough. And a couple other things is the UK Lockpicker, the regular tension guy that comes with it. I'll put this back in here. That fits in nicely, and also the thicker wires like that come with the UK Lockpicker set, the starter set with the piped and non-piped, and a couple of tension wrenches. These fatter ones, these 1.5s, do fit in here. I was using a 1.5. So, and these aren't expensive. So anyway, a good choice, a good place to start. And I just thought I'd show that for my Quick Pick Thursday. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and we will see you next time.